In this video, I'll guide you through how to stop automatic updates in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To stop automatic updates in Windows 11, you need to going through a few simple steps. Let's go to the first one. Tap on the Windows key and search for Windows Update. At first, into further updates for a specific time, let's click on the drop-down box and choose a specific time. Then your update will be paused for a specific time. Then go to the next step. First click on the Windows key and search for services. Now scroll down and find Windows Update. After find Windows Update, double click on it. Now tap on Startup Type drop-down box and choose Disable. Then click on the Apply button. Then tap on the Recovery tab and again click on First Fill drop-down box and choose Take No Action and hit Apply. Again, double click on Windows Update, then click on Stop from Service Start tab. Then click on OK. By following this tutorial, you can easily stop automatic updates in Windows 11.